Today I'm going to be demoing the facial recognition, AI facial recognition software that I've created. So I've added a few features from the kind of the baseline that we created in class, and I'll just kind of go over a little bit about the code and kind of what it does, the functions and stuff like that. So we have our motion detection app class that covers all the functionality. Then we have the init method that initializes the main window and creates the GUI components, so the labels, the buttons, and I've also added a progress bar here. And it loads the cascade classifier for the face detection. Then we have the select image method, which opens a file dialog, and it allows the user to select an image, and then it displays that image in the image label widget. Then at that point, the Analyze Emotion button is enabled. So the Analyze Emotion method is kind of where the core of the application sits. In that method, we load the selected image, detect the faces using the cascade classifier. For each of the detected faces, it analyzes it for emotion and age. So I've also added a feature where it analyzes the person in the photo not just for emotion but also for age, and it displays the results in the result label widget. Of course, so we also have the rectangles around the detected faces, and it displays the description about the images in the image label. Like I mentioned, so we have the new progress bar that shows the analysis progress. We also have error detection in case there's no image loaded, or there's a problem with the loading the image of some sort. We also then have this new clear result function that resets the app to its initial state. It clears the image, clears the results, clears the progress bar, and disables the Analyze button. So I'll just kind of demo it real here. Just wanted to describe kind of the general outline of the code. So we're going to go ahead and select an image, and we'll go to I'll just go here. This is my old another one, but I'll open that up there. So this is a pretty basic one, right? It's just me happy. So we're going to go ahead and analyze the emotion. We have the progress bar there. Oh, it happened pretty fast. Yeah, it normally is pretty quick. So we've got happy at 98.89%, and it estimates my age at 31, which I'm about to be 28, so that kind of sucks. So it's, the estimated age, obviously, it's not going to be exactly right, but it does do pretty decent at doing that. It's around the correct age. So I'm going to go clear, and then I'm going to do another image real quick, just so we can see a different emotion. Let's do this one where it's me kind of like angry. Analyze that emotion. So that one, it says neutral, but as you can see, it does give me a little bit more age there because of my different face. I guess as you get older, you get angrier. No, I'm just kidding. So that one also said it was more of a neutral face as well. So last one, I'll demo a multiple face picture. So we've got this basic photo here of my mother-in-law and my wife. So we're going to analyze those emotions. And so we do still have a little bit of issue with it identifying other items in the picture as faces, but it does overall do a pretty decent job. It does an okay job of identifying the faces, and it gives you the dominant emotion of all of the faces it identifies, and the estimated age. So that's all I got for you today.